Hey Divi Nation, thank you for joining us in the next installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away brand new free Divi Layout Packs from our design team to you. This time around, Kenny and his team have created a stunning mechanic layout pack, and this layout pack will provide you with everything your website needs to get up and running in just a few clicks. Here's how to use it. Okay, so let's take a look at the mechanic layout pack. So this is the overall look and feel that you can expect from it. You have these nice image masks that are used throughout the entire layout pack, and the color palette is also really pleasant to the eye, and it just looks really professional as well. So if you want to lay your hands on this layout pack, you can simply go to elegantthemes.com/layouts. And over here, you can see all of the different layout packs. So you're free to combine different layouts from different layout packs to create your own website, or you can scroll down until you come across the mechanic layout pack. And once you click on it, you will see all of the different layouts that come with this layout pack. So you can join to download or click on the blue button which says View Live Demo. And over here, you can take a look at all the different layouts that come with this layout pack and see for yourself whether or not you want to use them on your WordPress website. And say, for instance, you want to upload this landing page layout to one of your pages on your WordPress website. You can go back to your WordPress website, go to your WordPress dashboard, go to Pages, Add New, give your page a title, publish the page, and enable the Divi Builder. And over here you have three options, so you can start building from scratch, choose a pre-made layout, or clone an existing page. And we're going to choose one of the layouts that come with the mechanic layout pack by clicking on the purple button. And over here you have all of the layout packs again, so go ahead and scroll down until you come across the mechanic layout pack. And if you click on it, you will see all of the different layouts again, and then you can select your layout of choice and click on the green button which says Use this layout. So as you can notice, this takes little to no time for it to upload to your page and change all of the content. And from that point on, you can start modifying everything. Of course, you can modify all of the written content that's included and make it match with your own website. But you can also play around with Divi's built-in options. So say, for instance, you want to change the image over here, you can go to the background settings and change it and make it just look exactly the way you want to. Or if you want to make a lot of changes throughout the entire layout in just a few clicks, you can do that as well. So say, for instance, you want to change the font that is used, you can open this module over here, go to the heading settings, and over here you can see the font that's being used, and go ahead and right click, click on Find and Replace, and change this font throughout the entire page with a font of your choice. And then make sure you tick off the box that says Replace all font values within every option type not limited to heading font, and click on Replace. And then you can also change the text size. And it will change throughout the entire layout in just a few clicks. And you can basically do that for any kind of design option that you have within the visual builder and play around with it and just make your website look exactly the way you want to with Divi. Well, that was all for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and we hope that you're enjoying this ongoing Divi Design Initiative where we try to put something extra into your design toolbox each and every week. We're sure you don't want to miss a single giveaway, so make sure that you subscribe to our blog newsletter or YouTube channel, and of course make sure that you like our Facebook page so you'll get a notification every time we have something new for you. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.